What is file history feature in Windows 10 and how you can enable it? The Windows 10 operating system from Microsoft comes with a feature called file history that keeps a record of some recent files, contacts and the user's favorite stuffs. The feature is especially useful for users who get frustrated when they lose important files from the computer. There can be several different reasons for the files on the computer to get altered or modified or deleted, and this feature from the Microsoft helps to avoid the risk of losing important and confidential data. While the file history feature looks important, it isn't enabled on the computer by default. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how the file history feature can be quickly and easily enabled on your Windows 10 computer. First, you have to go to the Start menu or the search option and type in File History Application. You'll get an application like this, File History. Just open it. From here you can see that no file history was found. So you have to configure the file history settings first. Just click on Configure. From here it will start searching for the drive to set the file history. So you can see here that here you can see that to which location the file history is to be created. Now click on Turn On button. Now the file history is turned on. Now you can close down the window. From the next time onwards, when you open the file history, you will get the drive from where you can locate all the previous history files related to the file history. Along with that, ensure that the home group feature is also enabled on the device. That's it. Once you have followed this step-by-step process on your Windows 10 computer, then the file history feature will be enabled on your device. If the home group feature is already enabled on your device, then you don't need to perform the last step. After completing the third step, the feature will be automatically enabled. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.